I'm going to show you how to make this simple box drawer. All you need is basic beginner woodworking skills and knowledge, $30 in material, and about 30 minutes of your time. I'll put a list of all the tools you need to make this project in the description below. I'll also provide free plans that you can go and download to help you make this. All right, let's get started. So the first step in making a box drawer is to simply cut down your sheets of plywood to the height that you want your box drawer to be. Make sure you cut everything at once, and always cut a little extra in case you mess up along the way. This is a SketchUp model of the box that we're going to be building today. It's really simple and easy to make. Be sure to download the SketchUp file. I'll put the link in the description below. Once you mark your measurement for your board, I recommend cutting both sides at the same time, so that way they're exactly the same length. This will ensure that everything is square and true when you go to glue everything up later on. The next step is to create your pocket holes. I use the Kreg Jig K5 for this just because it's easier and makes everything go a lot faster when you have to create a lot of pocket holes. You want your pocket holes to be facing the front and the back of the box. The reason for this is it adds additional strength when you're pulling on the front of your drawer. Before you screw in your pocket holes, be sure to apply glue on the edges. This will add additional strength to your drawer. I also recommend using a clamp to hold everything together while you screw in your pocket holes. This will eliminate any movement that can occur when you're screwing in your pocket hole screws. The next step is to install the back of the box, and then your frame will be complete and we can move on to installing the bottom. And remember, don't forget to glue your edges. And use that clamp to hold everything together before you drill in those pocket hole screws. Now your frame is complete. The next step is to apply some wood glue to the bottom of the box. This will provide the bottom of the box additional strength and support to hold all the weight of the tools that I'm going to put in it. But before I can attach the bottom, I have to cut it down to size. I use my table saw to do this. I attached the bottom by using 1/2-inch brad nails. This was a lot of fun. With everything glued and nailed together, it was time to put on the face of the drawer. To do this, I used a clamp, and I just used some Kreg Jig screws that I had that were the right length. Whatever screw you're going to use, make sure it's not longer than the depth of your wood. You'd hate to puncture the face of your drawer. Okay, your drawer is complete. That's it. Simple, right? If you liked this video, smash that thumbs up button for me. I would really appreciate it. And also, if you have any thoughts or questions about this build, please post them in the comments below. I read everything, and I would love to help you out with your project. Also, if you haven't already, please subscribe and ding that bell to get notified when I post new content. All right, till next time, I'll see you later.